Hello from Kona Man Studios backyard, where my wife's garden is growing a little bit at a time. She's getting ready to plant again. This is going to be the next thing I review. And my $5 tripod from a garage sale I picked up a while back. I made these boxes around 10 years ago and just added new walkways inside there for my wife. And me and my father-in-law build these frames because there's Asian vegetables that grow up the side and hang down their fruit. So I figured we'll let you see this. But these are the Asian lucky plants she grows. These are freaking expensive plants. If we can avoid buying them, don't buy them. But my wife's Vietnamese, so she had to have them. This is the project we did last summer, putting in these pavers. We just scraped off the dirt and just put them down there, and we sprayed weed killer to kill the weeds. And we added the stones. I told her I could cut them, but she didn't care. We cut that the gap in there because we kept on flooding over here, and it was our water drainage. So when we did the drainage from the roof out, it came over here and out underneath the fence. And the one over here, we did. The drain's there underneath the leaves. You can see it there. Goes out to the right of the air conditioning and out, so we don't get a lot of flooding over here. Our backyard was notorious. It would be up to the going onto the back porch, but we had our back porch raised so it wouldn't be getting that way. And I was doing the weed spraying, and on this side over here where I've been blowing all the leaves, see how the water all drains over here? We have two drains over here to drain it out. If not, this area would be, during heavy flooding, heavy rain, it would be flooding over here. That's a bike somebody threw away, so I grabbed it, then repurposed it for my girls. Back to my back building where I keep a lot of tools and my hobby stuff. But I thought I'll let you see what I didn't come up with, and let you see how the backyard, there's a lot of weeds in there right now. My wife hasn't been out here. But her orchid, surprisingly, is blooming like anything. First time we have one bloom. I don't know how many freaking flowers it has on it, but that's a lot of blooming. That's our back porch. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one.